loaded, keep it loaded, keep it loaded. Very nice, I'm looking at the camera. Very nice, good, good, good. Ray, good to meet you, man. V.I.Preloader, baby. I appreciate you. Hold on.
Look, I appreciate you, man. You got me out here practicing, trying to get better.
That's what it's all about, man.
Like mug, man.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. Thank you.
You open up a hole. I ain't know nothing about that real break, man.
What do you ride?
Ultra 2000.
Oh, you got a big one, too,
yeah,
man.
Big one, man.
Whoa, whoa. You got a big motorcycle.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Watch this. Hold on. Excuse me. All right, guys, listen. This is a pretty steep hill. Like, as soon as I get right here, I can feel it. If I had to give it a grade, I think it's about, what do you think, 30 degrees? About 30 degrees? 15? Well, anyway, we always talk about, what do I do if I'm on a hill? U-turns, starting and stopping. The rules don't change, guys, but I will tell you this. Preloading that throttle and keeping it loaded and covering that rear brake. It's essential here. All right, let's do it. Okay, so as I'm going up this hill, clearly my preload is everything. I gotta make sure I'm in the friction zone enough. So it's not just about the preload, it's about the friction zone. I gotta make sure I'm in the friction zone enough. So if I'm gonna start on here, preload, you gotta preload. That's it, guys. So at the end of the day, it's about how much you're in the friction zone. That's the key. The hill doesn't matter, but you make sure that you open your hand enough. And if you feel falling, you feel anything inadequate, open up the clutch, but keep it loaded. All right, this is a pretty steep hill. So this is why I'm not gonna use the front brake and hold the bike, because when I preload, if I try to just preload and let out the clutch, the bike's gonna go back like that, right? So, off the front brake, rear brake only. Preload! You gotta preload this throttle. Keep it loaded, slowly release the clutch. So the hill is the most important thing because it's gonna make you have to pay attention to that preload. It's all about that preload. Slowly release the clutch. When you feel that bike start to move, pick up your foot. If you feel falling, open up the clutch more. See how the rules don't change? Hill or no hill, they just become more important.